Meet the creator who turned $21 into $184,370 in 11 days using something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. But how exactly did this take place? In this video, we're gonna break down the video that they used, which was one of the biggest reasons why they managed to generate this much money in such a short period of time. I'm also gonna show you the proof behind the numbers I'm talking about. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. The actual product that the creator was promoting in the video is a memory foam neck pillow. It's 12% commission every time they sell one of these pillows. We can see that the retail price for the pillow is $21.47. You can see they generated overall $184,000. The video they posted to promote this product was uploaded on the 9th of September 2024, which is around 11 days ago at the time of recording this video. The video duration was only 34 seconds long, which commission that they generated, 12% commission for every sale, $22,124. Just over $2,000 per day. What exactly is TikTok Shop Affiliate? It's a program that allows creators to promote products directly on the TikTok platform. It works similarly to traditional affiliate marketing, where creators can earn a commission for each sale made through their unique affiliate link. The description goes on even further here, but I'm not really gonna read all of that, but I'm just gonna simplify it for you. Basically, you qualify to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, so you need 5,000 followers in the US, you need to be over 18, and you need to have posted a video in the last 28 days. It's 1,000 followers in the UK, and requirements may vary depending on what country you are from and whether the TikTok Shop affiliate option is available there. Once you qualify, pick a product that you can promote from the TikTok Shop product marketplace, or you can use a tool like Shoplus here, which is a spy tool that will give you all the information you ever need to help you make a decision on what's working right now and what to promote. The next thing you do from there is you create a video talking about the product, same as this creator did here, and we are going to talk about the video in detail here in just a minute. You then place a link to that product in the video description that you are promoting. You publish the video. Every time someone buys the product from your video using your unique link, you get paid a commission. And in this case, as we've discussed, they got paid a huge amount of commission from the amount of views that they received from people buying the actual product. In terms of breaking down the video itself, we're going to break it down into 3 parts, and we're just going to go through it. I'm going to play a little bit of the video, then we're going to talk about each section of the video and what we can learn from this particular case study here. So the video is available here, so I'm just going to rewind it back to the beginning, and we're going to play part 1 here, which is from about 0 to 9 seconds.
There's no neck support and it puts a ton of pressure on your shoulder. Here, use one of these cervical pillows.
And straight away in this video, they tell us what the pain point is, and he delves in deeper as to why the person, or his brother in this case, is experiencing the pain that he is. Very relatable, very simple. Again, there's no fancy edits, there's nothing that's over the top. This probably took them, no longer than about 10 minutes to film. Now let's watch the mid part of the video and see what's happening here.
It's got a ton of neck support right here, and it's got that indent for your head so your spine stays aligned all night, and it also alleviates all that pressure on your shoulder because of that neck support. And you can put your arm through here so then your hand doesn't get numb anymore at night. Dude, this feels freaking nice. Is it comfy? Yes, bro.
After identifying the pain point, after identifying why his brother is experiencing the pain that he is, he goes on straight away to the solution, which is this cervical neck pillow, which he's just allowed his brother to try here. He asks his brother how the pillow actually feels, and his brother says that it feels great. And what we can learn from this, of course, is 1, this is a unique video style. So this is what's called a video skit. Some people do comedy skits, people do skits, people do different kinds of skits, but they are naturally interacting with each other. You can sense that there is an element of acting to it, but it's also easy to tell that they're talking not just to each other but to the audiences, to the people that are watching the video as well. They speak in a clear, simple to understand. Also, you don't hear any jargon or anything that's too complicated, which is really good if you want to attract a broad amount of people, not like a specific group of people. Just everyone sleeps, so you're speaking to a huge broad group of people. Now the captions also continue to keep the viewer engagement and keep people interested in the video, but this is also very visual. His brother's trying the pillow, he's on the bed, and the viewer that's watching the video can actually see what this looks like. He can actually see his brother experiencing the pillow. You get an idea of what the dimensions are of the pillow, how big, how small it is, and that immediately gets you thinking, in your own bedroom, in your own bed that you use currently, how could this potentially look? And you get positive vibes as well from the experience that the brother is having. A trick that is as old as time. We see this on the internet, we see this on our TVs. With every single aspect, they always show the experience that the person is having after they have found the solution and started using the solution that the company wants you to buy. Now if we move on to the third part of the video. His brother goes on to ask him, where did you get the product? Where did you get this pillow? He's then told that they got the pillow from TikTok, and they're told the price and how to get it. So throughout all of this, it's important to note that they're talking to the viewer. They're talking to me and you. But obviously, it's kind of a skit where they're talking to each other, but all of this is kind of speaking to the person who's watching the video. And the questions that they're asking each other are most likely the questions that people who would watch this kind of video would be asking. Where, how much, where can I get it, where do I press, where do I click? And he points down to where the link would be for the person who's watching to click and purchase the pillow. And again, it's a naturally sounding style of video, tone, language. The call to action is simple as well. It's not very intrusive, it's not pushy selling. It's literally, there's not even a sense of urgency there. It's just a case of, this is where I got it from, this is how you can get it, this is how much it is as well. Now another thing to note here is the price they have mentioned for the pillow is mentioned after all of the benefits have been described and after we've seen the benefits being experienced here by his brother. They didn't start the video by saying, oh, it's $20 and I got it from TikTok shop, this is where. They started by showing you the value of the product. They demoed someone using the product. They talked about the benefits of the product in easy to understand, simple language that even a 10-year-old can understand. They then told us where to get the product if you want to get the product. And naturally, if you have watched the video all the way up until the 30-second mark, which is the majority of the video, you are clearly interested in getting this pillow, and that kind of flows with the script for this video. And the fact that they are mentioning it towards the end, they are keeping the price only for people that are interested in the video, even though people can just click on the link and see the price. But in terms of them communicating to the people that are watching this video, they are keeping that up until the end of the video to basically to isolate those people that are interested and show them where to go about getting the product. But how exactly did they find this pillow? In fact, how do you find any products to promote on TikTok Shop Affiliate? Now, you can actually find them TikTok Shop Product Marketplace. However, this can take hours, sometimes even days. In the video that you can see on the screen, I'm going to show you how to get this done within minutes.